We're looking at this question where we derived the equation of the IS curve, found its slope, vertical intercept, and plotted it. Now we want to do the same for the LM curve given the money market shown in the question. So we want to start B1 by deriving an expression for the LM curve. Here we need to remember the LM curve shows all combinations of interest rate and output for which money market or financial market is in equilibrium. Right, so IS curve represents goods market equilibrium, LM curve represents money market or financial market. So we start with money market equilibrium condition given as real money supply is equal to real money. Now, when we're looking at money market equilibrium, we can either think of it as where nominal money supply is nominal money demand or real money supply is real money demand. Here we will work with the condition in real terms. Real money supply is nominal money supply divided by price level. Real money demand is L by R, and we know M is equal to M bar by P. And L by R in the question is given to us as KY minus HR. So now what we do is now we will solve for R in terms of Y as LM curve is graphed with R on vertical axis. So like when we solve for R in terms of Y, make R the subject here because the way we plot it is that R is on the vertical axis and Y is on horizontal axis. Then from the equation, it's easy to figure out what the slope and vertical intercept is. With R on vertical axis and Y on horizontal axis. So we'll do this here. So now what I will do is, so we can do this here. So let's make R the subject here. So it's HR. I'll take H minus HR to the left hand side. So this becomes KY minus M bar Y. So R is equal to KYHY minus M bar by PH. So this is the equation of our LM curve, which represents money market or financial market equilibrium. Now let's do the second part. The second part asks us to use this equation to find the slope and vertical intercept of this LM curve. Here you will notice that, okay, let's do the second part now. So now notice the LM curve that we just found, it's linear. So we can compare it to the equation of a straight line. Recall general equation of straight line is y is equal to mx plus c. So now in this case, our y is r, right? Because r is equal to k by hy minus m bar by ph. Now we know in this y is equal to mx plus c case so now r is the variable on the y-axis and y output or income is what we take on our x-axis. And we know m here represents slope, which is the coefficient on the variable on the x-axis. So this is slope, ky. And we know the constant term is our intercept, vertical intercept. In this case, it is this, right? So this is our vertical intercept. Right, so we know because in this case our LM curve is linear, so we can compare its equation with the equation of a straight line and see that the coefficient of y is the slope. So slope of LM curve is k by h, which is the coefficient of output of income, which we will plot on the x-axis. And the vertical intercept is a constant term, which in this case is minus m bar by pH.